Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly design a view. So to get started, I'll just scroll down to a blank view. So I'll click on this one called Welcome Page Demo. And now you'll notice that it's completely blank. To get started, I'll click on this paper clip on the left side, click Choose File, and I'll grab a banner image to put across the top. Drag it up to the top corner and resize it to the size that I want by clicking on one of the corners. And I'll lock this in place. So if I want something to not move and stay in place, I can click Lock Object. And Lock Object will also put it on the lowest layer of the view so that everything else that I drag on top will show up on top rather than be hidden behind. Now I'll grab the title. I'll just put that title somewhere around the middle. And this one, I'll just fix the position. So there I right-clicked, now I'm clicking Fix Position. And that way if I click and drag, it doesn't move, it stays right in place. So to add a background that maybe I'll put some links on top of, I'll select this gray rectangle, drag it down to where I want. I can resize it, and I'll fix that in place as well. So at this point I can drag out extra views, so I'll click on Add a View Link, and I'll pull the welcome link down. What else do I want? Yeah, maybe I'll just grab our recent news as well, but I could grab whichever links that I want. Now I can put those over here on the left side, right on top of that new square. And maybe I want to add some other images. So I'll go over here. Maybe I'm going to post an article that relates to this picture, so I can post this across the top and start creating either notes or rise above to start populating the view. So here, my first note, and we can drag that down into the view. So you can see it's relatively simple to go from having a blank view or one with no images to using a little bit of your creativity and artistic skills to be able to add some appeal to the view and maybe to help organize things a little bit as well. So feel free to check things out, and hope you have fun. See you in the next video.